Hey friends, welcome back to my channel SciTecher. In this one, I'm going to do the benchmark test in Realme GT Neo 2 device by using the GT mode when the battery percentage is below 10%. Right now, as you can see, friends, the battery percentage is exactly 9%. And let's see, while using this GT mode, how much benchmark test we can actually get in the Realme GT Neo 2 when the battery is really very low. So you might be thinking, so no phone will be performing really good when the battery is low. It's not like that. So only few phones will be able to perform really great even when the battery is close to 2 or 3% as well. Because I did do plenty of testing, friends, on the Realme GT Neo 2. The phone was able to perform really good as well. Let me use the GT mode. And I did perform similar kind of testing on plenty of other smartphones. For example, iQOO 7. iQOO 7 was able to get the really good benchmark test even at 1% as well. Yes, friends, so we should not judge few phones based on the battery level. The performance will be consistently maintaining even when the battery percentage is close to 1 or 2%. So let's see whether this kind of theory is kind of working in the Realme GT Neo 2 or not using GT mode when the battery is below 10%. So first you should know what is the high scores in the Realme GT Neo 2. So this is a score which we can actually expect 7,18,000. So usually 7 lakhs is kind of average benchmark test in the Realme GT Neo 2. That's a kind of average, yes. So let's see whether using this kind of method we'll be getting 7 lakhs kind of reachable or not. First, let me to open the benchmark test application, and brightness I'll try to keep around close to 40 kind of percentage. So let me try to start the test. First, let me to clear some data. So right now I did clear complete data as well, as you can see clearly. Now let me try to start the test. And let's see, friends, how much battery percentage will decrease and how much high scores we can actually expect in this device regarding the CPU and the GPU scores. So this is a kind of really intense kind of testing which I'm trying to do, friends, using the GT mode. So before I did upload a couple of other videos without using GT mode, but using GT mode right now we'll be able to get to know exactly the results, what's happening in this device using GT mode. And I will be back after some time just to check what's going on with the temperatures. So in the beginning the temperature is about close to 33 degrees Celsius, not bad. Let's see, friends, after some time how much the temperatures can actually increase in this device. I will be back after some time. So right now, as you can see, friends, the benchmark percentage is about 48%, and let's check the temperatures, what is happening. So 38.6 degrees Celsius right now the temperatures. On the back side 34.2, 35, 36.8, and the battery dropped to 6%. So overall 3% got decreased at this moment using GT mode and doing the benchmark test at the same time. You'll be able to see exactly on the top of notification panel which says GT mode, which is activated. So let's see, friends, how much benchmarks we can actually get in using this kind of method, and I can be back after some time. So just to check the temperatures, what's going on in this device. So right now, as you can see, friends, the benchmark percentage is about close to 90%. Temperature is about 37.8 degrees Celsius. On the back side, 33.8 degrees Celsius. 37.8 and 33.34.2, 34.6. And right now the battery percentage is kind of close to 4% till now. I think it should be kind of okay for this Realme GT Neo 2 anyway. So let's see. There's only 8% left in the benchmark test and 4%. I think it should be kind of pretty much good, friends. So the phone can definitely handle, after the Realme OS 3.0 update, the phone was able to get really very good battery backup. I mean, really huge impact. I mean, 8 hours screen on time I'm getting in this device. And I can be back after some time when we get the results. So finally we got the results which scored about 7,10,000. Wow, that's really huge score, as you can see, friends. Definitely even when the battery is below 10%, and by using the GT mode, it's a pretty good score, and battery dropped by 6%, you can clearly see, and temperature increased till 39.3 degrees. Yes, there is slightly high temperatures detecting in the Realme GT Neo 2. I did agree from the beginning as well in this device. But overall, these are the quick results which we got. CPU, not bad, 1,94,000, 2,40,000, that's pretty good for this GPU, Adreno 650. Anything above 1,90,000 and anything above 2,40,000, this is really good for the Snapdragon 870 chipset. That's how my experience it is with this device. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. And in case if you're having any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. And meanwhile, signing off until then, stay tuned. Bye.